Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous March box from Simply Gilded. The theme of the month is Hummingbird story, and as always, since I do customer service for the box, I received mine early so I can share it with you all. But if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipment confirmation by the end of the month. Now, the theme this month is very special, and first of all, you can tell there's something different about the box just looking at it, because this is the pattern is on vertical, because this is meant to look like a book. So the theme is a mix of hummingbirds and storybook, and it's also a throwback to Irene's very first box, which had the beautiful hummingbirds all over it. And since this is basically this is the 41st box, Irene wanted to kind of continue, like, celebrate the story of Simply Gilded. And clearly this is also reminiscent of starting new chapters. It's spring, it's a brand new start for all of us. So I just think it's just absolutely stunning. The colors in this box, I mean, I don't think that my camera can do it justice, but they are stunning. They are very vibrant. They literally jump off and you will see the stickers. The stickers are my favorite so far. But we have this background, which is this gorgeous teal. Then we have the beautiful hummingbirds in this little teal, greens, purples, pinks. It's just gorgeous, with this big heart in the middle of this perfect soft pink. It's a mix of, I would say it's a medium pink with a little bit of bubble gum. And then we have this silver foiling, which is throughout the box. And the font is this new font that I will be using in future products. So if you love it like as much as I do, you expect it to see in other products that will be coming out. Now in the back there's more of the print, and I will definitely find a way to cut this out and turn this into some sort of project or a dashboard or a card, because this is just too stunning. And again, the sides are pink on one side and white on the other, really to replicate kind of the spine. The book, when you have a book, you have a spine, and then you have 3 sides of pages. So I just think this is super clever and gorgeous. Now, first of all, this is what will come in the box, and I will share everything that is included, but not the mystery item, so that the surprise will not be ruined. Now in this month we're gonna get the foiled journaling card, the designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, large printed pochette, A5 stitch binding notebook, engraved gel ink pen, priority sticky tabs, sparkle charm bookmark, and mystery item. Now there's also one extra item that is not included in here, and I will share that with you as well. The first item that I wanted to share is the notebook, because this month we're having a different size. So usually or in the past several boxes, there's been all like B6 size notebook, but this one is an A5. So I mean, this is gorgeous for note-taking, for even a diary, for everything you want to use it for. The pattern is the one from the box, and again this is stitched, and it has a beautiful bow in silver foiling on the front. The inside is dot grid, and then is just the pattern continues in the back, and the cover is smooth, is soft, is buttery. I just love it, and you can use this basically for whatever you need. And if you have an A5 traveling notebook, of course that will work perfectly. Then we have the journaling card, which I always say they're little works of art, and look at the beautiful silver foiling. This is kind of really puts in a capsule of the theme. We have beautiful storybooks. Look how gorgeous those books are, with a little hummingbird there, and there's little sparkles, and then this wreath in silver foiling that goes around. Is just stunning. I wish I had books that had such pretty covers. And the next item is the engraved Simply Gilded pen, which is a 0.5 millimeter gel ink pen. This time we're having silver as the metal, and the colors are gradient. So we're going from like a light blue into a turquoise, and then a soft pink. And as you can tell here, I don't know, probably you can't with my terrible lights, but on the edge right here it says hope in silver. So it's super pretty. And there's always a little engraved bow right on top, and these pens write beautifully. And then the next item I wanted to share is the gorgeous Bookmark. Now this, of course, you can use in your planner, you can use in your book, and this continues with the theme of the storybook. And on one end we have a little bow in silver, and on the other we're having a crystal in a heart-shaped crystal, which is beautiful. And of course, if you don't want to use it that way, you can always use your little charm on something else. I mean, you can even make this into a charm for a bracelet if you want to. They are that pretty. And the little cord is this soft pink. Now, another item that I'm very excited about is these priority tabs, and I've never seen these, and they are just like, it's one of those things that you see and are like, how did I not know that I needed these? Because these are genius. I have never seen them, you know, myself. So if they've been around, I have completely missed them. But basically, these are called priority sticky note tabs, and they're clear, and they have different colors, which are, you know, described here: the pink trumpet, the nectar, the sweet leaf, the bluebell, the purple crown. And then they each have a number on them, and the numbers are not perfectly spaced. So that's, unfortunately, there was, you know, that's the best that the manufacturer could do. So they're slightly off. That's not a problem. But these, basically, you will remove them and put them in your planner and identify tasks depending on priority. So if you have to do this first and that first and that first, I mean, this is genius. This would be for a student even to identify the homework. I mean, I wanted to share them with my daughter, but they are so pretty. The colors are just gorgeous. But this is a new thing, and they're also clear, so you can basically place them on top of your task and you'll still see right through it. Oh, and by the way, the beautiful charm comes in this packaging, which I forgot. And then the next thing I want to share is the stickers. Now, for the stickers, if you are subscribed to the sticker only, these stickers will come inside a beautiful folder. The folder has a pattern that matches this and just this beautiful print. So they will arrive in this folder so that they are protected. And if you subscribe to the full box and you decide to add a sticker only to your full box, the extra set will also come in the folder. Now, I don't have the folder because I, you know, only received the full box. But as I mentioned, I mean, how stunning. First of all, let's take a look at these colors, because they are just amazing. They're just like, I don't know, this is the perfect color combination for me. It's just too beautiful. So let's start with the sheet of decorative stickers. You're getting 2 large sheets. And this first sheet over here, we're having 5 full boxes. Look at this box with, I mean, with this book stack. I mean, I can't. It's just beautiful. Then we have, I'm very busy with the little hummingbird. We have flags. We have little washi little strips. We have 1 set of days of the week with that beautiful new font, which I love. And then some deco. And then we're getting another sheet with 2 sets of days of the week, and we're getting 3 more full boxes. We're getting some flags, we're getting some headers, we're getting some icons, and some little bows, and it's just gorgeous. I love how there's this beautiful purple there. It's like a lilac. And then another one of these book stacks that have become my latest obsession. And I love this box. Your next chapter is the greatest one yet. And then you're also getting a small sheet of one more full box and 5 half boxes, plus 3 of the silver foiled art checklist, and some little deco. So you're getting a ton. Now, we're also getting 2 sheets of the little heart icons. So these heart icons, we're having one which is this bubblegum pink with the silver foiling, absolutely stunning. And then one which just this is actually date, you know, these are the date, and then this is the icons with that hummingbird background, beautiful. And then we're getting the little seals, the bull seals with the matching patterns in this, and I mean, you can tell how luscious these colors are. They're just gorgeous. There's just scream spring. Now, another item that we're getting, which is new, is these adorable little stickers. These are clear stickers, and they have either the little little bookshelves and the little hummingbirds, or these bows. They are just too pretty. So these are just, they will go anywhere. They're clear, so you can place them easily wherever you want. Now, before I get into the washi, how stunning is this? I'm just in love. I mean, I can't. This pochette is just too beautiful. I just want this to be a purse so badly. I'm gonna figure out a way to turn it into a purse. And sorry about that little, there you go, there's a little sparkle on it, but how stunning is this? So this is a big size pochette. This is as big as the one that you received in the Masterpiece box, so in the Lullaby box. So this is big. It has this beautiful scalloped edge, a silver heart, then it has this very sturdy holder here, this little, you can attach anything you want to it, and then when you open it up, there's the beautiful turquoise pattern with the hummingbirds. And then on top of that, Irene included a pen loop, so you can get your beautiful pen and you can carry it with you wherever you go. If you read a book, or if you have like a smaller planner, you can totally put it in here and then carry it with you and protect it. But this is just stunning. I mean, when I saw this color is like a pink lilac-y, mix. It's hard to describe because it's stunning. And one thing that it's also different from previous pochettes is that this is printed with a Saffiano print. If you're familiar with Saffiano leather, Saffiano leather is super sturdy. I mean, you can basically destroy it. And this is vegan leather, clearly, but it's the same durability, and also it's just, a much more upscale kind of print and feel to it. So I am just in love. This is probably, together with the stickers, is probably my very favorite item. And then moving forward to the washi. Now, this is the pouch that you receive the washi, and if you're subscribed to the washi only, it will come inside this. And I forgot to mention it, the stickers only and the washi only also come with the journaling card. So this is where you will receive all your washi. And the washi only includes all the washi from the full box as well as the 5mm. But how stunning is this washi selection for this month? We're getting 3, 4, 5, 6 rolls of washi. And the first one, the first combination, is the 15mm and 10mm with the silver foiling. And let me show you the pattern on the 15mm. You're getting almost this ombre kind of like rainbow effect. Look how gorgeous it goes, from a teal, from a purple to a pink to a yellow. I just love this. It just, like, for some reason, reminds me of ice cream. I don't know, maybe I'm hungry, but it reminds me of ice cream. Then we're having the bookshelf, which is probably one of the favorite washi tapes pattern that Irene makes, and I completely understand why, because how beautiful is this? And this is probably my favorite version of it, because I'm all about pastels. And so there's this white background, and then all the little books have these beautiful covers that are in pink and light blue and the yellow, and there's a silver bow on them. Just gorgeous. This, if you have like a little diary, or if you keep like track of what you read, I would totally, that would be all over it. Then we're getting another 15mm, which has the beautiful hummingbird pattern, which is upside down. There we go. So we're having that turquoise teal color in the background with the hummingbirds, and then teeny tiny silver stars throughout. Beautiful. And then we're getting 2, not 1, but 2 of perforated washi. So the first perforated washi is this one, which is a 10mm in the perfect pink. And it's just, absolutely stunning. So you just like rip it apart, and then you're getting a header for your planner. The silver foiling on the pink matches perfectly. And then the other one is a simple line in a 5mm, and it's this light blue lilac color. I can't describe it, and of course I can't open it, but how gorgeous is that? I love it. And then if you subscribe to the washi only, you'll also get the 5mm add-on. If you are getting the full box, you will have to order this separately for $6, but it ships for free with the box. Make sure to email us if you are already a subscriber, need to add it, because that needs to be, you know, taken care of on our end. But you're getting 4 5mm, 1 5mm. This one is basically the mini version of that gorgeous ombre. Look at that, look at the colors, how they pop even from such a teeny tiny you know, amount of washi. It just pops. Then we're getting one of these vine ones in this I would say this is a teal aqua background with the silver little wreath with the little heart in the middle, and then stars with the silver foiling. And then this is beautiful. It's a combination of the Aurora pink, which everybody loves, the Aurora pink, and that light blue. So they are absolutely stunning together in kind of a color block basically. So this is it, guys. So if you are not subscribed, I would hopefully go and make sure to go to the website and get yours, because this box is just too beautiful. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at Planning Fancy, and I reply to all messages. And again, I did not share the mystery item just because I didn't want to ruin anybody's surprise, but that will be also in your box. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Bye bye.